Hey Dayz, come with me and find out what $20,000 buys in a Jamaica supermarket.
Let's go!
We need butter.
I'm gonna trust them. Yeah, I'm going up this one. El Paso. Look up. El Paso.
Can I finish this?
Yes, daddy. Me I eat. I don't want you to say a foolishness.
Kayla. I'm gonna take a picture too.
That's nice.
I remember thinking,
Y'all wanna buy yogurt?
I'm about to beat this bitch up.
Y'all wanna buy yogurt?
No. Oh, see some more fish over here.
You wanna try snapper? Wanna try snapper?
Put it down, I don't want that. Pork leg. It's a pork leg. No, pork hot. Pork leg. Put them. Pork chop your mama always buy. Now I look right.
You like it? You like it?
I don't like the way you fight neither, but what? What am I going to do? What of them come with fat? A pork. Are you chicken.
Buy chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We
Started the worst year. Alright, if you want to let them.
My detector test determined that was a lie.
I look.
Don't look for me, man.
No one look for me.
This is what you just say, I look for me. Oh, them stop produce the one I'm like? Oh, I'm gone. Them boring do. Mayonnaise.
Depends on you.
Cornflakes.
Yeah.
We think about it. We consider it. Well, I'm going to go macaroni. Take up that from please. Thank you.
I will take up the gummies.
What?
Don't worry about my gummy.
Bummy?
Daddy, put it up. Me buy it with my own money. Stop with the case. Start, we have sardine? Go next one. Why would I buy sardine in a tomato sauce? No mackerel. And the milk. The one with the cinnamon.
You want to taste this bourbon? What? Bourbon.
Taste it. Come on.
Them don't know that. Come on.
Them know. Take up the last one. Come along.
Come on, Kayla.
I'm not buy it, but I say, what them put tonight? Why my oat taste different? Oat, sugar, skim milk, salt. I'm going to put the salt on my own. Spicy. What is spicy? Sound like the bar.
Yes, you always, you know,
Let's just stay there.
but you know, that I think.
Oh, you know I'm not going to eat it if you don't buy it. I'm going to buy ramen. Look at us walking away from the man with the money. So, Shinaman.
But I'm scared of the spicy one because I'm not used to Japanese spicy.
I'm Japanese. Well, them are Korean. Yes, get to work.
Can you help me?
No. How much time did you have myself? Nobody take out the chocolate in them. And chocolate cream. And I bring the chocolate in our house.
Mine are relapse.
Exactly. I'm trying to go chocolate free. I don't need the temptation. Watch my eye chocolate. Yes, see when I see you.
Sit here.
That's right, you never see nothing. See, I'm blind here and there.
See I'm down here now?
Here and there.
See what? See what? That's it.
Yeah, oh, you're not here.
He might show off him strongness, him strong body. He might show off.
That's what I'm show off.
You have to naked to show say he's strong. That's gross, you know, put it on the car first. Daddy just chuck the key away and say, go on. Team footsteps precious. Food alone. Food alone can't waste.
Oh, move that.
Put one in the bag on the ground and put one.
I buy my number 4 combo.
A number 4 always say?
Yeah, buy a pie for me.
Why for me and you?
That's more than pie too.
No.
That's you alone?
Yes.
Why?
Well, you don't normally eat pie, you can do that pie.
That's more than taste of pie.
You don't want to taste enough.
You tell me what me know?
That's right.
Yo, because you're me.
Because me have the money. Me have all the money at home. If you see the person with the money say you don't want nothing. You don't want nothing.
Go on the side, go on the side.
Ready for some domestic abuse?
I said, but I said to the place, I tell you to go.
They try to be like that.
They say, woman with the money, woman with the money.
I like how you do.
Same height. You're on your motion.
My shoes aren't even that tall. You will not be never in my ears. So nobody said before that you will not be never in my ears. Can I get 2 number 4 combo and a why is this an overeater within an AC? Me and this camera gonna have beef. So it's overeat, is it?
Which one?
So it's man and yes.
Oh. Why to overeat?
That's my question.
Okay, now let's do a quick haul of what $20,000 really got us.
Whole grain bread, apples, macaroni, onion, cornbread, bun, 3 raisin bread, cornbread, 2 cinnamon rolls, cheese, pat ramen,
Choose
beef, lasco, 2 of these, 2 gummies, macaroni, frosted flakes, Caribbean delights, oil, cornmeal, banana chips, saldanza, jelly chocolate, tortilla, Pringles, Tasty's cheese, boneless sardines, 3, fish, pork chop, and butter, Americano cheese, cinnamon milk, mackerel pepper, mackerel, and the corn.